Pipedrive CRM tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can use Pipedrive's CRM. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So I'm over here on their website pipedrive.com. Now Pipedrive is a free software to use, but there is a pricing plan which we'll get into later. So you can use it and try it for free, no credit card required or anything like that. So we're just simply going to go ahead and sign up and click on try it for free. And now here you can go ahead and sign up with your work email, or you can continue with Google. And after that, once you've done that, once you've logged in or signed up, it's going to ask you two questions, two forms to give you and, fill out. So you've got your about you section and the company section. So your name, your phone number, what is your job title, what is your experience with sales, and what do you want to do first, right? So we're going to fill out this form. So after that, just enter in your job title, right? So we'll just say project management. What is your experience? I haven't used any, and set goals and track progress. All right. Now we'll click on that button and click on next. Now about your company. So we're just simply going to fill out the information about our company. Just name some company Inc. How big is your company? It's not that big, small. And our industry is wholesale and retail. And then click on create account and then fill out the CAPTCHA. Then give it a couple of seconds and your account will be created. So as you can see, our account is now created, and it's going to take us directly to the dashboard. So here we have the insights. So you can see right here where our insights over here. We have over here on the left-hand side all the options that we would need. We've got leads, we've got deals, projects, campaigns, sales inbox, activity, contact, insights, and products. And down below, we've got the marketplace as well. So we actually want to go ahead and come over here onto the CRM section, right? This is, I believe, the insights of pipeline. So we'll go back over here and click on pipeline. So here we go. This is the CRM right here. You can see right here, we've got our qualified leads over here, the contacts over here, demo, proposal, negotiation started. So these are pipeline. This is our pipeline. It's going to show us all the stages of our deals, all the stages of our, potential deals or negotiations, whatever, right? So these are our deals. These are our leads right here. This is the lead inbox. Here we're going to see all the new leads and lead boosters, live chat, chat box, web forms, all of that. So, everything is right over here. So for those of you who don't know what CRM means, CRM stands for Custom Relation Management. So basically a custom relation management software, that's what Pipedrive is. It manages all the customer to basically manage all the customers' relations, right? So everything they would have queries about, you're going to manage over here. So again, leads are going to be over here. Deals are going to be met over here. You've got your projects over here. So you can see all the projects right here. Can deliver your next big project by reaching your goals faster. You've got the campaign settings right here where you can get started and, send email marketing campaigns that get clicks very easily. So that's pretty cool. You've got your sales inbox over here. So all the messages for your sales are going to be over here. It's going to track engagement, automate emails, and use template, right? So make sure you connect your email accounts right here. Link your email with the sales by clicking on this button. So let's go ahead and click on connect email. We can connect this email if we want to. Click on continue. And once we've done that, we should be good to go. After that, we are done. So here you go. We can sync all of our private messages or, all of our business messages right here. So we're good to go. So right here, over here, you can see we have a bunch of different options now. On the left-hand side, you can see we've got personalization options. We've got Google Drives, devices, calendar sync, contact sync, company settings, all of the good stuff, right? And this is going to be the dashboard right here. This is the security dashboard. You can see, but yeah. And then over here in the sales inbox, you can see the emails are coming in right here. So you can see right here all the emails that you would receive with your email or your company email are going to be visualized over here. Inbox, draft, sent, archives, everything over there. And then we've got our contacts over here. So you can see these are some sample contacts that Pipedrive has created in order for us to get started. We've got our organizations right here and contact timeline as well. And then, of course, we've got the insights option right here, which is basically the dashboard where you can see everything. So we've got everything over here. Let's go ahead and generate a default report. It's going to go ahead and generate a default report right here. So here we go, dashboard. I had to change the currency. And if you want to change the currency, go into your personal preferences over here. And here you can see the default currency. So once you've done that, you should be good to go. So this is the default sample or the default dashboard. or the sample dashboard if you want. You can see right here, this is the pipeline health. Here you've got the win rate, it's 29%, not that great. You've got your qualified leads over here, contact made, demo scheduled, proposals, and you only got 4 deals that are won, generating you $151, right? This is our deal value currently. We've got our deal status by salesperson. You can see the number of sales right here. It's got 7 open sales, 3 lost, 4 won. We've got number of activities right here to do and done. These are all done, which is pretty cool, and these are still to do. We've got 1 email and 4 calls left. So right here is the report. So if you click on activities status, you can see all the status right here. Assignee to users, you've got everything. Contacts over here. Deals by status by sales, you can see right here. So you can see a bunch of different options, right? Pretty cool stuff. Deals won in revenue. Right here you can see $42,000 won. The deal value over here, pipeline status one. So pretty cool. So yeah, you get everything over here. So now you know how the overview works, you know, all of the options that you have. Let's go ahead and get started. So first things first, let's go ahead and create contacts. All right. So to create a contact, you can come over here underneath contact section. Here you can create people's, organizations, and you've got the contact type. So if you want to create an organization, click on organization, and then you can go ahead and create one. If you want to create a person, then you can click over here, click on add person. And to add the person, you just give it the name, right? Add the name, the organization, the phone number, the email, and the label and items if they have some, and then click on save. And once you've added everything, then in labels, you've got a few different labels. You've got customer, hot lead, warm lead, and a cold lead, right? You can add different labels if you want. You can even edit the ones that you want. It depends on you. So we'll just say this is a hot lead, right? And then we'll just simply click on save. So we now have a contact, right? It is a lead. And now let's go over to the next part where we go into leads, right? We now have a person. Here we will have to create a new lead. So let's go ahead and create a new lead. We already have the contact over here. We can add that. It depends on you. Or what we can do is just simply go into deals. And here, since we already have that option, we'll click on add deal. Here we can add the customer, the timeline over here, pipeline stage, whether we've got the option or not, right? Now, I should be able to add that contact, but if I can't, I'll just add the name. There we go. We've got everything. So we'll just click over here. It'll automatically import all the details of Jimmy. We've got the value over here. This is the info about the field's value, and you can label it as a hot, warm, or whatever. So we'll just say it's a $10,000 deal, right? You've got the owner right here. You hear basically, who created this lead or got the lead. That's what the owner is. And expected close date, you can add whatever date you want. You've got the source channels over here. Where did you get this lead or acquire this lead from? Chat box, web forms, prospector, lead suggestions, wherever, and source ID channel. And then over here, you can add visible to items, owner, visibility, whatever. Once you've added everything, click on save and you've got your first lead, right? So this is the lead. Now, if you click on the lead or click on the 3 buttons, it's going to open up the entire system right here. Here you will see all the details. You can see it's warm. You can see how much money is to be made from this deal. You can add the exact value or expected date to close or whatever. You can see the person, their email, their phone number, the organization that they're linked to, and email BCC, right? Here you've got your notes, you've got your activity and email. So in the notes section, you can go ahead and focus. Over here, you can call. So 1 hour tomorrow, next week, no focus time as of yet. The activity is going to show all the activity. And then over here, you've got the mail, right? You can go ahead and contact them and, convert it to a deal. So basically once that's done, convert it to a deal. And now over here, let's say you've contacted it, right? Qualified or contact made, whatever option you want. So you've contacted them, they qualify, it's a lead. You can now convert it. So make sure you do all of this. Select the pipeline stage where you want it to be. So we've got the qualified, the contact made, demo scheduled, proposal made, negotiation, right? So we'll just say contact made and click on save. Now we had a lead that is now converted into a deal, and it is now at the second stage of that deal. So now if we go into deals, we can see over here the contact made. So this is the deal right here. We can see how much money is to be made over here. And over here, you've got all of their deals, right? You've got all the deals in the pipeline. Everything is sorted out. So this is the deal that we have currently, made. So if we open it up, you can see on this option right here, scheduled activity. If these are overdue, you can go ahead and, change it. So let's say since these are overdue, let's go ahead and open up these deals that are overdue. You can see right here, sample overdue right here, final contact attempt. It's overdue. We can contact them wherever we want. Let's say today's November 30th. Let's go ahead and select November over here. Click on save. It is now at today. There we go. Activity is now set since it was overdue. Let's go ahead and call them. So over here, you will find the call option. Here you will find the number, phone number, the computer, everything. You can click on the start call to start the call. You can add the final contact made, and whether or not it succeeds, you should be good to go. So let's say you've contacted them and you know what, you set up your fields, you know what, they like your offer and whatnot, and they would like to move on ahead. So next, you'll go ahead and move over to the next one where you scheduled a demo, and there you go. After that, go back. So now we've got another lead that is now scheduled. So this is how we can do it. So if we click over here, right, let's say contacts made, the Jimmy's lead. We contact them via email, whatever, call, we share documents, invoices, and all of that. We schedule an activity. So let's say we schedule a meeting. We've got a meeting on December 1st, right? You can even set up the exact time. So it's at 12 a.m. Actually, it's 12 p.m. or 1 p.m., let's say, lunch, right? Priority, high. And over here, you can add this option will show you whether or not you're free or busy. So over here, you can add notes, whatever notes you want, whatever knowledge you've acquired through your initial contacts and asking questions and, sampling, whatever. Add those notes over here, click on save, and there you go. You've got a meeting, high priority at December 1st. So you can go ahead and check it out, right? Once that's done, you should be good to go. So this is how you can set up leads within the pipeline and how you can set up your customers as well. Your customers or contacts or, well, whatever option it is that you are looking for. So this is how you do it. Of course, you can also create deals over here, and we've got some different views as well. So this is the pipeline view. There is this list view as well. So you can see the list, the deals, the value, the organization, contact, expected dates, next activity, and the owner. You even got the forecast as well. So if you click on forecast, you can see right here, open deals without expected dates, December right here, 2024. These are all the deals that are currently scheduled, I believe, or these were the ones that were in the December. We've got the deals in January, February as well. So pretty cool. And if you click on pipelines and click on all pipelines, you will see the deals in all the pipelines. So you can create multiple different pipelines, but it depends on you. So yeah, once that's done, you can see over here, we've got projects. So in projects, you can deliver the next big project. So over here, you can try it for free if you want. This is an add-on tool, I believe. So you can see right here, it costs $8, but if you wanted to add it, you can do that as well. Same thing with campaigns. This is the email marketing campaign. You can get started for free. This is also a add-on, but I believe once you get the full version of pipeline, I believe it's already added. We'll get to that later. And then activity and over here, you can see all the latest activity that has occurred. So over here, you can see all the calendars. You can sync everything up with your calendar. So you can see which ones are upcoming, which ones are scheduled, which ones are due, everything right here. So yeah, these were all the important things you needed to know about the CRM pipeline. And then finally, we've got our products. So here you can go ahead and create different products. So you can see no products match. You can click over here to view all products. It's empty currently, so let's go ahead and create one. So we'll click on create new product. We'll add the product name, the product code, the category, and everything, right? So let's say this is a hoodie. This is a simple cotton hoodie. Product code, it can be anything you want. And select the category. Over here, you can select category. So I'll just say hoodies. There we go. New category created. Unit. So add whatever unit you want. Let's say there's like 5 units of this one. You've got billing frequency, once a time, monthly, whatever you want. Unit price is going to be over here. So let's say it's $20 or, whatever. Tax percentage, 2% tax, and then click on save. So we now have a product right here, product code and everything. So if you click on the product itself, open it up, you can see right here, it'll open up more details of the product. You can upload the image over here. You can upload the image of the product right here. So I'll upload the image, hoodie, unit over here. I don't understand what unit it is. This unit of weight, unit of mass? I don't understand, but maybe it is. Then you should be good to go. Then over here is going to be deals. Over here, you can link the product to any deals that you have made, or if there are any deals, then you've got variations. Over here, you can add different variation, size, colors, and stuff like that. And then you've got files over here. You can upload like entire videos or stuff like that, showcase the entire product. But yeah, let's go back. We've got the product over here. This is how you can create different products within the pipeline as well. So now you know everything you needed to know about the CRM pipeline. Let's go ahead and take a look at the pricing of CRM. So here we go. These are the plans right here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 plans. So we've got the essential, the advanced, the professional, the power, and the enterprise. And you can see the essential one is going to be $14 per seat per month, right? In it, you've got the key features such as lead, calendar, and pipeline management, seamless data import, and 400 plus integrations, activity, deal, and contact reports, and personalized onboarding as well. You've got the advanced version, which is the second highest. In it, it's going to cost you $34 per seat per month, which is billed annually. You get everything in the previous plan, but also you get full email sync with templates, open and click tracking and group emailing, automations, builders, including email sequences, meetings and emails and video call scheduling, and live chat support. So if your work revolves around more email stuff, then this is the one to go. And then we've got the professional one, right? This is the one with the AI as well. This one is going to be $49 per seat per month. You get AI-powered sales assistant, contracts and proposal management with e-signatures, streamlined lead routing and team management, revenue forecasts and custom field reports, and extra data entry and data quality settings. And then finally, we've got the power one. This is going to be $64 per seat per month. You get project planning, tracking, and deliverability, increased control of account permissions and visibility, 24/7 live support, and phone support as well. So you get all these cool stuffs right here. So you can see the pricing of it, and this is billed annually. If you select billed monthly, then the prices change a little bit. So if you go with billed annually, you can see up to 42%. So keep that in mind. And if you want to see more like in-depth features, then over here, click on see all features. It's going to open up this tab where you can go ahead and see all the features in a more detailed manner. So check them out. Let me know which plan you think is the best one for you. And so let me know in the comment sections what you think about this video, whether it was helpful, did I miss anything, or if you have any questions, let me know as well in general, and I will get back to them as soon as possible. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.